this video, the founder of Groove AI, Mike Filsame, talks about the reason why you would want to use Groove AI over just using regular old ChatGPT, right? What's the difference? What does Groove add to your life, your marketing life, in terms of getting stuff done, in terms of sharing with your team, in terms of getting the best content output possibly imagined? And that is a controlled environment or an organized environment as opposed to mayhem, which is ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, you just have chats all over the place. There's no clean organization. There's no project management. There's no let's keep everything under this umbrella type of thing. It's just chats all over the place. And you have to remember what you're doing and be as organized as you can. Whereas with Groove AI, they're building an organized, managed system on top of ChatGPT. So us as marketers, we can have one project with one knowledge base and have our sales copy, we can have our affiliate copy, we can have our sales page, we can have our emails, we can have our images, we can have everything under one umbrella, completely organized, and we could share work with our team, work on projects together, and it'll just make everything so streamlined and so easy. So listen to the breakdown of Mike. This is condensed, and you'll understand what we're trying to do, what the backers are trying to do and support with Groove AI and all the exciting things that are coming.
So now this is all built into ChatGPT. Again, why am I showing you this, guys? Is because when they released this at ChatGPT, they announced that it was available to all of us developers. So as developers, we're creating new features. We're creating the share feature. We're creating the search feature, the index, the chat, new memberships like the free. We're creating the white label and all the other things that we want to do. But at the same time, we have to now develop for the new features with OpenAI. All I can tell you is everything they added, we were going to have to do programmatically, like literally write into Python code to do some of these things. They've created what's known as a multimodal user interface that allows us to now just pull up these things into our chat. What you're going to see very, very soon is you're going to see the same thing here. You're going to see a little icon that's going to allow you to upload documents. You're going to see the ability to upload a picture and change it. All of these different things are going to be coming, but there's even more to that.
Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I reply to all my comments. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and let's continue on with the video. I've got a really rock star bonus for whoever purchases Groove AI through my link. This is an exclusive bonus that I only share with my high level clients. And that is, I'm going to show you a way that I am making a passive income every single day. This is a side little project that I do. And I'm going to show you how I make 50, 60, 70, sometimes over 100, sometimes over $200 a day. And this is a fantastic opportunity, especially if you don't have a following, if you don't have a list, if you don't have any assets like that. Anybody can do this. And the thing about it is that now's the time, right now. You don't want to wait on this and sit on this because this opportunity is, well, I don't know if it's going to be around forever, but it's working right now. And I'm silently making an ongoing passive income. And like I said, I only reveal this to my high paying clients, which is if you purchase Groove AI through my link. If it's not through my link, you don't get my bonus. If it is through my link, you do. See the details in the description on how to know that you're purchasing from me and what to do as soon as you get in to get my hot bonus. What are you waiting for? Go click the link right now to be qualified to receive the bonus. I'll see you inside. Oh, and all the perks of Groove is just icing on the cake. So I would urge you to get inside right now.